The CMACEWHEEL EM20 electric bike is a versatile and compact folding e-bike designed for adults who value convenience, efficiency, and reliable performance in both urban commuting and leisure riding. Built with precision engineering and thoughtful design, the EM20 combines power, durability, and comfort, making it the perfect choice for riders seeking an effortless yet dynamic cycling experience. At its core, the EM20 features a 350W rear brushless motor that delivers a top speed of 25 km per hour. The motor employs a star gear design that amplifies torque and optimizes energy efficiency, ensuring powerful acceleration while maintaining quiet operation. With a peak torque of 60 Nm, it handles city slopes and uneven paths with ease. This intelligent motor system offers a smooth and stable ride, balancing power output and efficiency for maximum performance in all conditions. The bike is powered by a 36V12 lithium battery seamlessly integrated into the frame. This design not only enhances the bike's aesthetics, but also provides excellent protection with an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring reliability in light rain or damp conditions. The battery delivers strong, consistent output, supporting an assisted range of up to 55 kilometers on a single charge, ideal for daily commutes or extended weekend rides. For control and convenience, the CMACEWHEEL EM20 is equipped with a smart color LCD meter that provides a clear and intuitive display of all essential riding information. Riders can easily check speed, distance, battery level, and power settings while adjusting the level of pedal assistance directly from the integrated control system. The user-friendly interface ensures that every ride feels connected, efficient, and effortless. The EM20 also features a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, offering smooth and precise gear shifts for varied terrain. Whether cruising on flat city roads or tackling gentle inclines, the gears allow riders to find the perfect cadence for comfort and performance. Built on a strong yet lightweight frame, the EM20 maintains excellent balance and agility, while its 20-inch wheels strike the perfect balance between compact portability and stability. The folding design makes it incredibly easy to transport or store, whether you're bringing it into the office, storing it in an apartment, or placing it in the trunk of your car. Every detail of the CMACEWHEEL EM20 is crafted for practicality and style. Its combination of efficient power, long battery life, intelligent display, and compact folding form makes it a dependable companion for daily commutes, city explorations, or relaxed weekend adventures. With the EM20, riders can enjoy the freedom of movement, advanced technology, and modern convenience, all in one sleek and compact electric bike.